All right, this is part 3, and we're going to talk about Pluto in this video, and then we're going to bring it home with a couple of positive things that you're really going to like about this chart. But we have to address this as well. First of all, the big one that everybody's talking about is the Pluto Return. All right, here's the natal Pluto at 27 degrees in Capricorn in the United States chart. When Pluto goes all the way around and back to where it was originally, which is where it is now, that's called the Pluto Return. And in 2022, Pluto, because it was moving forward, it hit this spot in February. It's now moving backward, and it just hit it again. And then it will hit it again in December as it's moving forward again. So boom, 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 3 times. What does that mean? We don't know, because there's never been an equivalent like the United States in modern times in history that has had a Pluto return. But Pluto rules death and rebirth. At its core, it's about transformation. And that's what's a little hint for the next video. Here is a number 2 mention of Pluto. This is the United States midheaven. This is what the United States is all about. The midheaven is our projection out into the world. Transformation, death and rebirth. Here's the third one, and you can't see it, but if we took this solar arc chart and moved it backwards, which is equal in benefit, this software just doesn't do it. Pluto is 2 years away from Neptune in the solar arc chart. So there's all the lies and deceptions and illusion and delusion that we talked about in the last video is going to be under the microscope of transformation. Now there's one other thing that Pluto rules, and this is something that you have to just talk about very, very delicately, but I'm not going to glance over it because I'm really trying to give you an honest shot at what astrology says about what's going on. Pluto also rules nuclear weapons. Does that mean a nuclear war that astrology is saying? No, it does not. I just said that Pluto rules nuclear weapons, and that's regardless of where it is at any time and any place in a chart. But because there is so much Pluto going on here, it is something worth noting and being aware of. All right, now in the next video, let's talk about the positives.